So in general, in semiconductor theory, we have a name called thyristor. So whenever a name thyristor is you see a name thyristor or thyristor is spelled by anybody, you have to understand that it is a semiconductor device having 3 or more junctions. So transistor, a transistor is going to have 3 junctions, but thyristor is a general terminology referring to all semiconductor devices having 3 or more junctions. So these devices can act as a switch without any bias and can be fabricated to handle high voltages and currents. So they can handle high voltage and current. That's why they're called as power devices. So see here, these devices can handle voltage up to several hundred volts. You know that in a conventional device, if you give 100 volt, the device will break down. But these devices are devised in such a way that they could handle very high voltages till 100 volt, and current ratings can be from few amperes to 1000 amperes. So they have a very high voltage rating and very high current rating, which helps them find application in power based application where the power requirement is very high, or if you want a device to operate in a high power environment, there you can put these thyristors into place. So these thyristors are a family of semiconductor devices which are fabricated using silicon or germanium, having 3 or more junctions, and they can switch to on state and off state without any bias, and they can also have functionality to work in high voltage and high current conditions. So such a family of thyristors are going to be we are going to read in this chapter, and we are going to read about PNP and diode. We are going to read about Shockley diode, SCR, LASCR, triac, diac is dealt in this chapter. And also we are going to study about all the other devices also, which is UJT, uni-junction transistor, power BJT, power MOSFET, DMOS, VMOS, LED, LCD, photodiode, and phototransistor, optocoupler, solar cell, and CCD. So all these are discussed in this